Hello and welcome to Soul Tarot by Nehal. This is going to be a reading for the period of October 2024 for the zodiac sign Sagittarius. Please remember this is a general reading and it may or may not resonate with you. If it resonates, let me know in the comments down below. If not, skip this one. If you feel any of your loved ones could benefit from this reading, kindly share the channel with them as well. If you want to stay connected with me on Instagram, you can follow me there as well. The link is down in the description below. So, thank you so much, and let's begin. So, Sagittarius, there is a forward movement over something into your life, but it is like you are standing on a crossroad between two things and you need to make the decision. Now, the decision that you need to make is again entirely in your hand, in the sense it has nothing to do with anyone else. Whatever it is, it just does not affect only you, but it is even that it is just that you have to take your decision. No one else could really be of any help to take that particular decision for you. And if you ask me, the solution, or the answer that you may be looking for actually lies somewhere within yourself. You have the knowledge and the wisdom also to find that, to go within and find it yourself as well. There could be something or someone that could come your way out of nowhere. This most likely seem to be in your work life, that either you're some work may just come from somewhere where you were least, or it will come from someone whom you were least expecting would give you that kind of a project. So there could be something of that sort. There seems to be a good time no matter what when it comes to your relationships. You seem to be spending good quality time for be it romantic, or be it your friendships, or be it even in general your family relations and so on. It's a good period, it's a good bonding time for you in for the month of October 2024. So work wise, yes, there would be that the thing that you're looking for is now entirely on work front. You're looking for any form of just growth, especially either financial or resources growth that you are looking for when it comes to work. Like, you're really really focused on that. And related to that, there could be some idea that you have been really pondering on for really long. You may be thinking about how you can execute it or what to do. And you may want to take a final decision on it. Like, there could be already things that you may have planned, but still there could be one particular aspect that you wouldn't be sure of, and that now you have been now thinking more seriously on those lines and trying to figure out on how to do it. Again, you're spending more of, like, your own time to think about all this. So it's not that you are taking a decision, like, discussing with people and so on. You would just take a decision entirely with your own mind and your, like, whatever calculations that you need to execute it. So you are on a very serious thinking spot as well, because that is no matter what going to lead to your financial growth, right? So hence you are even the more in that tight thinking spot. Having said that, there could be certain sudden things also that you may have to look into when it comes to your work. It could be more of work that could come your way. Again, if you're into a job, there could be more more work that your seniors may just tell you to accomplish, or there could be more targets that may be given to you. For people who may having their own business and so on, they will be people that could be so that you would also get more of all of a sudden some projects that you didn't know, or already there would be some project that you were handling, and it could be so that all of a sudden the person or whose project you may be handling, or or you may be someone who may be providing services for something. All of a sudden the person may ask you that we need to be a little quick and hurry on certain things because maybe the deadlines may have shifted. So yes, such kind of situations could happen work wise. So Sagittarius, for people who have been going through a lot of, feeling a lot burdened when it comes to your finances for some time now, you guys are about to get over that particular burden actually. But again, that is also to a good extent on you itself, that how you release that burden out of you. The reason being, it's not as bad as you have made it in your mind. You've just felt that way, that it's all yours, and whereas there are people who are there to help you and share that burden with you. Other than that, there could be that for some people, because obviously every situation is different. For some people, because you may be actually the sole breadwinner of the house, so for those kind of situational people, you guys could start seeing stability coming in, and slowly you will even see that there are new ways that are coming your way to increase your financial stability. And it will even lead, obviously, with time, to things that, whatever you wanted to do for you, like for yourself and your family, you will be able to do all of that as well. So the financially things will get better, growth is coming in, and new opportunities also will come in when it comes to your finances. New ways or new doors to get more financial stability may also come in, and the doors may open for you. Or, for some of you, is the beauty of this thing is that if some of you are not, it's not coming on its own, you guys will actually create opportunities also for yourself. So that is one of the very beautiful quality of you know given the situation, you will create it. That's a real interesting thing about you guys. Coming to love, romance, and relationships, with the thing of 2024 October, uh, for people who are singles, there could be that someone may offer you something, or may offer you to take you on a date or something like that out of nowhere, while you were least expecting that this person would actually ask you out on a date. Because maybe you guys didn't really always share a good relation, or good, just a good connection. You may have felt that it was more of a chaotic thing, or you may even have felt that the person may be a lot snobbish, but that person may end up asking you out, and chances are that you would possibly give it a chance, and you would want to go out and at least just be polite to that person, which is totally fine, because that could actually, if nothing else, if not a relationship, it could actually grow into a good friendship, if nothing more than that. People who are already committed, it seems to be that I don't sense anything really happening on your front right now. You guys are not really in the space of taking things forward, though you may have thought that in the month of October or around it, you may have thought of taking things forward, is what your actual plan was. But most likely, it is so that you may not be wanting to take things further as of now. Does that mean it's a dead end? No, it's not like that. It's just that you just want things to be as it is right now. No, nor you want to end the relation, but now you want to take things further, right? Just for the temporary period. So, yes, while you may have felt unstable, you may have felt that, things are just not, getting in the way you want and all of it. Slowly, steadily, things will come your way. Yes, there is going to be work coming your way and a lot of that happening. But having said that, a word of caution here is make sure you take care of yourself. Don't get so involved in working that you just don't look after yourself. That is one thing. And there could be certain things where a person could also be of good guidance to you in this duration on a lot of aspects of your life, and maybe pay attention to that. Now this person, very very like intuitively I feel that, again, this person doesn't need to always be someone who's elder to you, but this could be again someone who could be younger to you, and may give you some word of caution, or may tell you that maybe this is not the right time to go for something. And you being that maybe that person may be younger to you, hence you may not take that person seriously. But trust me, no matter what, whoever gives you any advice in the month of October 2024, just at least think about it. Even if you buy it or not, you can make a choice later on, but at least hear them out and think about it. Nothing is yet set in stone, so yes, there is no final outcome to a lot of things as yet. And there could be things that you can do to change the final outcome as well. So like I said, yes, there could be someone who could be of great insight to you as well. There is a solution that is definitely there to some situation, and a forward movement as well, while you may be thinking that there is nothing that can be done anymore, but there are things, there are solutions. So whatever, wherever you may be feeling that it is the final thing, and no matter what you do now, nothing can happen, remember that situation also has something that will be of that could be changed actually. Happiness, I'm aware that being happy means that I am on the right path. So while you will be taking decisions also, on certain things, you will start feeling some sort of happiness or some sort of peace also within yourself. And that's when you will know that yes, you're taking the decisions that are right for you and everyone around you as well. So make sure that you always keep a track of also what you are actually feeling within as well when you are taking certain decisions, and seeing if that is giving, how is your body reacting to it. Is it being anxious, is it being uncomfortable, or is it being restless, what is happening? That will help you a lot. Blue flame, connect to the blue flame, which is the light of your love within you. So connect to the blue flame that is within you, or you can actually meditate on a blue light or blue flame, and that also could actually help you find certain answers in that duration. So maybe while you are meditating on those things, there could be some answers that could come your way as well. Answers or solutions, whatever you call it. Trust, the light in you cannot be dimmed. So if at all there is someone around you who is trying to mess with you in the way that is trying to pull you down or anything of that sort, remember that the light within you cannot be dimmed by like someone else. No, it's all up to you. If you hold yourself well, it's okay. Others doing anything will not matter. Let's see what are the affirmations for you. And while we yet again go ahead, let me mention that like be there till the end, because I've added something else also to the whole reading, a little bit more detailed, and let me know if you like that also or not. So yeah, hold on and stay till the end. I am enough. So that's one of your affirmation, which is actually in a way good to have in this duration. I do not have to prove myself to anyone. So yes, if at all there is someone who's really messing with you again, just remind yourself that you don't need to prove anything to anyone. Your actions will speak with time. The universe is a source of endless abundance and unending possibilities. Today, I will be open to ask and receive. So, I think I already spoke about even, that solutions are within you and so on. So, I think that, and again, over here, I would clearly mention one specific thing is, if you are someone who is a believer of manifestations and all of it, start working with your that energy. It will be of real good help into receiving what you want, the kind of outcomes that you want, because like earlier it is said that nothing is yet set in stone. So that would also help you. And yeah, like today I will be open to ask and receive is one of the, again, like one of the actually most amazing affirmation to do it. And universe really does this listen to us all the time. So maybe yes, you have been thinking about certain things a really lot, especially at the nights. There may be things that, or you may be even having sleepless nights at times, and there are a lot of thought process that is going on, and due to which you are like kind of not at peace at times. But remember that a peaceful time is coming in. Transformations of certain type is coming in. Uh, the sleepless nights are coming to an end, and no matter what, you will shine through whatever is happening around you. Some of you would be even feeling that some like you are into some trap, or someone is trying to trap you on certain things. So remember that it's okay, even if someone is trying to do that, even if you handle it smartly, if you handle it in a very composed manner, no one can touch you also. Your mistakes don't define you. So yes, if there have been something that you feel that they were your mistakes, remember that they don't define you. You can always, compensate as much as possible for those things, and just take care, take your lessons, and move forward in life. Just because you're struggling does not mean you are failing. Nikki Gumbel. So, sorry if I am pronouncing the name wrong, and you can correct me by letting me know in the comment section. And yes, just because you're struggling does not mean you are failing. So, if at all any of you are feeling that just because you're struggling, you are failing, I don't believe, firstly, there is anything called failing in anyone's life. The reason being is very simple, that we are here in the human form to do certain things, and if we keep going, we keep, at times we have to change our path, because that's what we are here to do, and maybe we were not on the right track so far. So that doesn't mean, nothing means failing. We, as long as you're living your life and doing the things that are needed at any different level, some, because every time it's going to be different for different people. So if you're doing all of this, remember one thing: you may be struggling, yes, but no, there is no failing actually. I can achieve anything I set my mind to. So yes, you can achieve anything that you set your mind to, is the another affirmation that's come for you, and I hope you make the most of this guidance. And let me know in the comments section that how do you find this end bit as well, and if you did resonate, didn't resonate, if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Let's connect there. So this is it, and thank you so much, and see you in the next reading. Bye bye.